Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to be unboxing a package from Baciamilips. I got two items in here that I'm really excited for because one of them is like limited edition, and then the other one is just the main flavor that's popular with their business, but like with sparkles. So I'm excited. It comes with a little welcome card. It says, "Thank you so much for your order, BB. It means so much to me that you chose to support my small business. Like, literally, I love you, and I hope you love everything. I already know the sparkly lip gloss you chose is going to look amazing on you. Baciamilips." This is what it looks like. Boxed. This is pretty. I don't know what I was expecting, but this is pretty. I like that. Like, what? This is the Hello Kitty gloss. It's called Glitter Kitty, I believe. Because I was definitely going to say something crazy. And then it comes with this cute little charm on top. And it's heavy. This is solid. Let me smell. It smells like strawberries. So I don't have anything on my lips right now, as you can probably tell. This is so cute. And it's hydrating, and I like the way the applicator feels. I feel like I'm getting like enough space. And I really like the way the bottle looks like. This is so pretty. That's shade 1. This is the next one. Dark Honey 2.0. And it smells delicious. And this is the applicator. Me being extra, I do apply like that sometimes just because I like to get it everywhere. It feels so good on my lips. Like, I love that feeling. That's so pretty. And it's light. It's not like super dark. I like super dark colors on my skin anyway when it comes to like lip products. But this is so pretty, look. And this is the one with sparkles. Because she does have a regular version that does not contain sparkles. But this one has sparkles, and I don't mind it. Thank you.